Ronaldo scores Portugal's first goal against France and is close to Ali Daei's historic number. Cristiano Ronaldo scored Portugal's first goal against France in the match between the two teams at Euro 2020. Ronaldo's goal came from a penalty kick in the 30th minute of the match against Hugo Lloris. This is Ronaldo's first goal against France, as tonight's match is his 7th against them. Cristiano Ronaldo goal in the Portugal-France match. Ronaldo reached the 108th international goal, reducing the goal difference between him and the Iranian Ali Daei to 1 goal, as the latter has 109 goals to his credit as the player with the most international goals scored. Cristiano Ronaldo also became the first European player in World Cup and European Championship history to score 20 goals in both competitions. You can view the live broadcast of the match between Portugal and France in the third round of Euro 2020 through the link. France give an incredibly controversial penalty decision against Portugal. You can see why Portugal aren't happy. There's not enough in that for me. I'm not sure what Semedo is supposed to do there. You track your runner and you're allowed to block his run. An incredibly soft penalty has seen France level matters in their Group F fixture with Portugal. Trailing 1-0 to a Cristiano Ronaldo spot kick for Portugal and lying in second spot in the group, the under-par French were handed the chance to draw level through a controversial penalty of their own. It came on the stroke of halftime when Kylian Mbappé went down as Nelson Semedo stepped into his path. The referee immediately pointed to the spot, and after a quick VAR check, Karim Benzema fired home. It was a decision that didn't go down well with Jermaine Jenas on co-commentary duty for BBC Sport. "That's not a penalty," he raged. "As a full-back, that's your job."